Hey everyone! Do you ever feel nervous when ordering food in English?
Yes, it can feel a little scary. But don't worry. In today's lesson, we'll show you how to speak English confidently at a restaurant.
So stay with us till the end, and you'll learn useful phrases, real conversations, and simple tricks that will help you sound natural.
And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and like this video so you never miss another English lesson.
Welcome back to English by Samad. I'm Sarah.
And I'm John. Today's lesson is called English at the Restaurant.
In this video, we will practice how to order food politely, how to ask questions on the menu, how to talk with the waiter, how to ask for the bill, and even some useful restaurant vocabulary.
Exactly. By the end, you will be ready to go to a restaurant and order food in English without any stress.
Okay, John, let's imagine we walk into a restaurant. What's the first thing that usually happens?
The host or waiter welcomes you. They might say, "Hello, how many people?" or "Good evening. Do you have a reservation?"
Right. So if it's just you and a friend, you can say, "A table for two, please." Or, "We don't have a reservation."
Let's give some examples.
Waiter, good evening. Do you have a reservation? Sarah, no, we don't. A table for two, please. Waiter, of course. Right this way. That's simple. Notice we used please. It's always polite.
Yes, politeness is very important at a restaurant.
Now we are sitting at the table, and the waiter gives us the menu. What can we say?
We can say, "Thank you," or "Can I have a few minutes to look at the menu?"
Great. And sometimes menus can be confusing. You might not know all the words. What can you do?
Good question. You can ask, "What do you recommend? What's in this dish? Is this spicy? Does this come with rice or bread?"
Perfect. Let's make a short role play. Waiter, here is the menu. John, thank you. Can we have a few minutes? Waiter, sure, I'll come back. Sarah, this dish looks interesting, but I don't know what it is. John, let's ask. Excuse me, what is chicken Alfredo? Waiter, it's pasta with chicken in a creamy sauce. Sarah, sounds delicious. Thank you. Now it's time to order. What are some polite ways to order food?
Here are some easy phrases. "I'd like the chicken sandwich, please." "Can I have the pasta, please?" "I'll have the salad, please."
Notice that we say I'd like, or can I have. These sound more polite than just saying give me.
Exactly. "Give me" sounds rude. Always say, "I'd like." Waiter, are you ready to order? Sarah, yes. "I like the grilled chicken, please." John, and I'll have the beef burger, please. Waiter, would you like something to drink? Sarah, yes, a glass of water, please. John, and a lemonade for me, please. Waiter, perfect. Your food will be ready soon.
Now, imagine you are eating, but you need something. What can you say?
You can say, "Excuse me, can we have some more water, please?" "Excuse me, could I get an extra fork?" "Excuse me, the food is a little cold."
Yes. Excuse me is very important. It gets the waiter's attention politely.
Also, don't forget to say thank you every time they bring something.
After eating, what's the last step?
Paying. You can ask, "Can we have the bill, please?" "Could you bring the check, please?"
Right. In the US, people often say check, but in the UK people usually say bill. Both mean the same thing. Let's teach some vocabulary that you'll hear in restaurants.
Appetizer, small dish before the main meal. Example, soup, salad. Main course / entree, the big dish, the main part of the meal. Example, steak, pasta. Dessert, sweet food at the end. Example, cake, ice cream. Beverage, drinks. Example, water, soda, coffee. Reservation, booking a table before you arrive. Waiter / waitress / server, the person who brings your food.
Great list. Learners, try repeating after us. Appetizer, main course, dessert, beverage.
Excellent practice.
Now let's put everything together in one long conversation. Waiter, good evening. Do you have a reservation? John, no, we don't. A table for two, please. Waiter, right this way. Sarah, thank you. Waiter, here are your menus. John, can we have a few minutes to look at the menu? Waiter, of course. Sarah, what do you recommend? Waiter, the pasta is very popular. Sarah, Okay, I'll have the pasta, please. John, and I'd like the chicken sandwich, please. Waiter, would you like something to drink? Sarah, yes, a glass of water, please. John, and a lemonade after eating. Sarah, excuse me, can we have the bill, please? Waiter, here you go. John, thank you very much. Waiter, you're welcome. Have a great evening, please. Waiter, perfect.
And that's it. Now you know how to order food in English like a pro.
Yes. Practice these phrases, and next time you go to a restaurant, you'll feel confident.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to our channel, English by Samad.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.